Far across the endless sea, on an island cloaked in perpetual twilight, stood the Sapphire Citadel. Legends whispered of its halls, adorned with jewels that glowed with a light of their own. And a great secret hidden in its depths, the Eclipse Crown, said to grant the wearer the ability to control night and day. For centuries, the citadel had been abandoned, and its secret, untouched. One fateful day, a group of unlikely heroes set sail to uncover the citadel's mysteries. Arlen, a spirited sailor; Mira, a healer; Finn, a mischievous thief; and Quinn, a stoic warrior. "The Sapphire Citadel," Arlen said, gazing at the map spread across the deck of their ship. "If the stories are true, this could be the greatest adventure of our lives." "And the most dangerous," Mira added, her voice steady but her eyes wary. Their journey was fraught with challenges. They braved tempests that threatened to capsize their ship and navigated waters teeming with sea creatures that seemed almost aware of their presence. One night, a massive whirlpool appeared before them. "The sea's maw," Arlen whispered. "We have to navigate through it to reach the island." With Arlen at the helm and Myra's calming presence steadying the crew, they steered the ship through the treacherous waters. At one point, Finn's quick thinking saved them from being pulled under. He used a grappling hook to anchor the ship to a jagged rock until the whirlpool subsided. As dawn broke, they finally spotted the island. The Sapphire Citadel rose from the cliffs like a beacon, its walls shimmering in shades of blue and silver. But the island was far from welcoming. A dense forest surrounded the citadel, and as they ventured into it, they realized they were not alone. The trees whispered, their leaves rustling in unnatural patterns. Shadows flitted between the trunks, and Myra's instincts screamed of unseen watchers. "Something's guiding us," she murmured, her hand brushing the hilt of a dagger. Reaching the citadel's gates, they found an inscription carved into the sapphire doors: "Only those who pass the trials of heart, mind, and spirit may enter." The first trial tested their heart in a chamber filled with illusions. They each faced visions of their deepest fears and desires. It was Myra's steady voice and calming presence that reminded them what was real, helping them move forward together. The second trial tested their mind with intricate puzzles. A series of intricate puzzles awaited them, including riddles etched into the walls and mechanisms that required precise coordination to operate. Finn's sharp mind and quick hands proved invaluable, though not without a fair share of grumbling from Quinn. The final trial tested their spirit. They faced a guardian made of pure light, whose voice resonated like the chime of a bell. "Prove your unity," it said, "or be turned away." Working together, they demonstrated their trust and camaraderie. The guardian's light dimmed, and the gates to the inner sanctum opened. Inside, the Eclipse Crown rested on a pedestal of glowing sapphire. It shimmered with a soft, otherworldly light, as if containing the essence of the sun and moon themselves. As they approached, a shadowy figure emerged. It was the keeper of the crown, a spectral being bound to protect it. "Why do you seek the crown?" the keeper asked, its voice a mix of curiosity and warning. Arlen stepped forward. "Not for power, but to restore balance. The world has lost its harmony, and we believe the crown can help bring it back." The keeper's eyes glowed, and it studied them silently.